Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a zero oil snack recipe which will be very healthy and at the same time tasty also. It's mango and corn salsa recipe which is very quick and easy. So let's check out with the ingredients. To make mango and corn salsa, you will need some diced mangoes, some boiled sweet corns, bell peppers red, yellow, green, and some sliced tomatoes and onions. First, take a bowl and add all the ingredients one by one. Here goes the boiled sweet corns, bell peppers, chopped onion and tomatoes, and finally the diced mangoes. Now add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now time to season the salsa with some salt as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, some oregano, and some peri masala. Now take a lemon, cut into half, and with the help of a lemon squeezer, extract the juice of half a lemon and add in the salsa. Now with the help of a spoon and fork, give a nice mix to all the ingredients. That's it, our sweet, tangy and spicy salsa is ready. So here goes my sweet, tangy, spicy mango and corn salsa in my serving platter. This mango and corn salsa goes really well with nachos. So I am adding here my favorite nachos. So friends, here is my zero oil mango and corn salsa, which is super easy and quick to make and at the same time very tasty and healthy. So do try this recipe. And if you like my today's video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the links for my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.